Listen and speak to communication needs of clients, employers, and colleagues. Introduction. Our learning outcome today involves understanding and implementing effective communication to meet the needs of clients, employers, and colleagues. Effective communication is key to success. Let's start by defining some key terms. Communication. Communication is the process of sending and receiving messages through various channels, such as verbal, non-verbal, writing, graphical representations, signals, signs, and behavior. Communication process. Communication process consists of some interrelated steps or paths through which messages are sent from sender to receiver. It is the sharing of meaningful information between two or more people with the goal of the receiver understanding the sender's intended message. Modes of communication. It is the channel through which messages are passed and received. It is the medium used by the sender and the receiver to communicate. Identifying and meeting communication needs. Now, let's explore how to identify and meet the specific communication needs of clients and colleagues. Methods of identifying communication needs. 1. Self-definition. Encourage clients and colleagues to define their communication needs. 2. Ask for support needs and provide options. 3. Include a standard line in correspondence to invite communication. 4. Consider alternative methods such as phone calls for those unable to read. 5. Use existing data and employ various strategies to understand needs. 6. Record and report communication need according to the workplace requirements. Communication process. For effective communication, we must understand the communication process involving a sender, receiver, message, feedback, medium, and contextual facts. Different approaches to communication. Building relationships through effective communication requires specific approaches. 1. One-on-one time. Connect individually with clients or colleagues. 2. Total respectfulness. Demonstrate comprehensive respect. 3. Written communication. Utilize powerful written messages. 4. Clarification. Clearly state organization needs. 5. Understanding others. Prioritize the importance of others. 6. Total listening. Prioritize the client or colleague and the issue at hand. 7. Patience and calmness. Key attributes for effective communication. Means of communication. Communication involves the creation and exchange of meaning through various means. See the table below. Modes of communication. There are 3 modes of communication. 1. Interpretative communication. One-way communication without feedback. 2. Interpersonal communication. Two-way communication with negotiation of meaning. 3. Presentation communication. One-way communication for an audience without active negotiation. Barriers to effective communication. Despite our efforts, barriers to effective communication exist. Let's explore them. 1. Physical barriers. 2. Personal barriers. 3. Semantic / language barriers. 4. Status barriers. 5. Organization structure barriers. 6. Barriers due to inadequate attention. 7. Premature evaluation. 8. Emotional evaluation. 9. Resistance to change. Conclusion. In conclusion, we've covered ways to identify and meet communication needs, as well as address conflicts without compromising organizational standards. Remember, effective communication is the key to successful collaboration and a thriving workplace.